Good afternoon, everyone. This is your mentors FXE motivation. We are back again. We are looking at the chart of NZDCHF, which is New Zealand and Swiss francs dollar. So now we are back again. Um, we'll be looking at the daily chart of NZDCHF, trying to find um the next market direction where the market will go next. So now, as you can see, we've just analyzed a bullish trend that is about to come. So, how did you see this bullish trend that is coming, or how do we confirm that there's a bullish trend that is alerting? So now we will just look at the structure we see right now. You see that the structure. Just follow the hand on the string. Follow the hand on the string. You see the structure? It's a bullish continuation trend. So that means the bullish flag. That means that the bulls are still kicking in. The bulls are still going to come back at this point. That's not only the reason we say NZDCHF will go to 69,206. So that is the price that NZDCHF will be going. So now let's check firstly. As you can see, on the major drop that NZDCHF had on 2020, I think it was 2021, at the first quarter of 2021, around March, NZDCHF dropped from 61,900 to 700. So those are big peeps. So now the market was trying to rebuild the bullish structure, to rebuild the bullish trend. So now the market is back again. So as you can see, the market cannot just fall to this point. Let me show you. Let me, the market cannot just do this. The market cannot just drop like this. Cannot just drop like that, because there is a price that it haven't touched yet. So we need to get to the price first before we can say the market can now fall until 52 again. So, as for now, the cells or the bears have no power at the current moment. So only the bulls have the power at the moment. So now the bears, I cannot recommend you to sell under the CHF at the moment. So let me just delete this first before continuing. Okay, let me go to my monthly chart. Just trying to show you everything that made me say this NZDCHF will go up. So as you can see, on 2009, that's when NZDCHF opened. So on 20, let me check this. On 20 up around 2012, um NZDCHF had another big drop, which is this point now that we are going to right now, which is this point we are going to. We can see that the market, since the market dropped on 20, around 20, I think it was 2018. The market dropped on 2018. Now it haven't touched that point since the drop of 2012. So now the market needs to come back and retest 89,200. That is the price that the market needs to come back and retest, because the market cannot just shoot up or down without any retracement or without any pullback on anything. So the market needs to go back to where it started from, to where it was. That's why they say on the technical side, um, history repeats itself. So now that is what will be happening right now. The history will repeat itself in the DCHF. The market will go back there, and maybe we can now get the bears from any point. But for now, the analysis is just focused on the on the bulls that we are seeing that are coming to approaching the market. So as as we can see right now, as we can see right now, the analysis is just so very easy to understand. You can see that the bulls here are on the way. You see, the bulls are on the way. So that's all I can say about NZDCHF. We can lower the time frames and go to H4 and just to get more clarification about this pair. Uh, uh, yes. So now, so far I see the candlesticks giving us a very nice confirmation so far, but I'm not saying it is the right time to buy NZDCHF. It's not the right time to buy because we need more confirmations. So I have a buy stop on NZDCHF at some certain points that I know the market, once the market comes to that point, it can never go back. So now let me just show you this resistance, this small resistance that I see right now. Here it is. You see this resistance. It is 65,400, 65,400. So on 65,400, there is a resistance for under the CHF. So the market can push from here to there on 65, and maybe we can maybe see some retrace or just a breakout. So my buy stop would be focused here, which would be 65,712. So my buy stop will be there. So you can put your buy stop too there, but and your stop loss can be exactly at this resistance or lower at 65,337. So that's where your stop loss should be, and your first target, which is your first TP, will be on 67,000. Yeah, you may say that, but don't forget the zero before, because the number that I'm calling are before zero. So they are not after zero, but they are before zero. After zero, yes, no, I'm wrong. After zero, it's zero, then the numbers after zero. So yeah, the first TP can be there on 67,000, and then we can check your final TP, which would be your second TP, your second target. If you are still on the market, uh your TP can be on 69, on 69 206. Yeah, so that was the analysis, or that is the analysis of NZDCHF. Let me check the end date before I close the video. So far, I said so far, there are no further confirmations that we are getting, but then I know throughout this week and the DCHF will be giving us confirmation. So I'll be waiting for your comments on the comment section. Leave your comments there, leave your ideas. Tell me what you think about this analysis. Tell me more, and I'm also available at Facebook, on Instagram, and all these social media platforms. On Facebook, I am FXE with creation. FXE, the first three letters are written on capital letter, which is BFXE. Then after FXE, just small letters. So yeah, that will be, there is my page on Facebook, and on Whatapp I will just write the number. Or just write the number on the description of this video, so that you can find me on WhatsApp. And on Telegram I'm also available. I'm using the same number as the number I'm using for WhatsApp. So have a blessed trading week. It's a Monday, guys. It's a Monday, so I think you should get your ass up and just get straight to the market and let's get this money. Those peeps are waiting for us. The market makers are waiting for us to kick us actually, but we will not get kicked. We will kick them. So that's the reason why I am sharing this information, this analysis that I am busy, like sharing to you guys, so that you may have more information about the market, on how to analyze, how Can you see the next direction of the market? How do you see all those hidden points, all those hidden levels of the market? So this is how I trade, or this is how I analyze actually. Price action, no reports, no indicators, no nothing, just price action. So yeah, guys, thank you. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Thank you. FXE trading. I'm out.